Selfie selected topic, Soul Train's new journey. Bago magsimula ang 2015 PBA Governors Cup, napunta ang PBA's Soul Train Sol Mercado sa Barangay Ginebra, kapalit ni Joseph Yeo na nakuha ng Barako Bull Energy. Ang move na ito ng barangay ay isa sa mga pagbabagong naganap, kasama na rin ang pagkakaroon nila ng bagong head coach na si Frankie Lim. Ilang koponan na rin ang kinabilangan ng Spitfire Guard ngayon. Kasama na siya sa most popular franchise sa PBA, ang loaded backcourt rotation nila L.A. Tenorio, Mark Caguioa at J.J. Helterbrand. Mercado admitted it was a surprise for him to end up with the Gene Kings. Masaya naman si Sol na maging parte siya ng proud darling team. At malaking opportunity ito to showcase his game. Ang barangay na kaya ang final destination ni Soul Train sa PBA? Patuloy nating tutukan ang kanyang paglalakbay bilang isa sa mga hari ng barangay.
At yan nga ang sabi ni Coach Frankie Lim nung pumasok na itong si Sol Mercado sa lineup ng Ginebra is that Sol can bring the toughness that Barangay Ginebra needs. At syempre, gusto natin malaman kung ano ang saloobin ni Sol Mercado now that he's in the most popular team in the PBA. Pakinggan niyo to.
What Coach Frankie wants, he wants me to be, a guard that could push the tempo, defend the other guy's best player, if it's a wing or whatever it is, be able to, help the team in getting my teammates involved, but also, pushing the rock on the fast breaking and, getting buckets myself or whatever it is, like you said, being tough, trying to instill that in, in the rest of our teammates that we have each other's back. It's God's will, you know what I'm saying? However it happened, I'm here now. It's my 7th year in the league, and I'm here now, and whatever happens, I trust God, and I feel like I'm just going to give my all, whatever team it is. Everyone knows I play with a lot of heart and passion, and just be able to work hard, and the Ginebra fans are amazing, they're going to support you no matter what, so hopefully I can make them proud. Thanks for being so welcoming, and hope I can make you guys proud and continue to support us. We're on this journey to try and get back to the top. Appreciate it.
Okay, so alam mo, ang pinaka-interesting na sinasabi ni Sol nung ini-interview ko siya sa PBA was that when he's playing, he's very tough and he means business and he will protect his teammates in any way that he can. At also, sabi niya, ang chemistry daw niya with Mark Caguioa is not yet 100%, but it is something that he will try to improve along the way. There you have it, 4 selected. At kung may gusto man kayong i-update, ungkatin, o kilalanin sa mundo ng sports, huwag nyo kaming kalilimutan i-follow at i-tweet sa Sports 5 Selfie, also on Instagram, and also like us on Facebook at Selfie on Sports 5. At huwag niyong kalilimutan ang hashtag na Sports 5 Selfie. And of course, always watch us here on www.sports5.ph. At para sa chismis na mainitan, latest happenings sa bonggahan at social media posts na mapag-uusapan, basta sports ang eksena, we are there and ready para